wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best snow toys for kids. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you've got several children, the Slippery Racer Pro Saucer Set is an inexpensive way for the family to ride the slopes together. These sit-in discs have raised hand grips, making them easier to maneuver and the passenger more stable. They come as a pack of 3 and are pliable to prevent them cracking. However, they are too slow for older riders. At number 9, the ideal sno-art kit gives little ones the opportunity to get creative in the winter weather. Using the 3 marker bottles, they can try their hand at drawing pictures, making hopscotch grids, or writing messages on their frosty canvas. It comes with 2 molds and is made with safe, non-toxic paint, but it can stain clothing. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Unplugged Explorer's Ultimate Kit offers a wide range of tools and activities for the entertainment of children. It includes a small sled and a claw for digging into snow. It also comes with a convenient storage bag and encourages active play. However, the pieces are not very durable. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Snow Toys for Kids, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, if your little ones struggle to pull their sleds back to the top of the hill, the flexible flying carpet might be what you're looking for. This lightweight piece of plastic rolls up into a tube that can be carried easily under an arm and neatly stored away when not in use. It's reasonably priced with cutouts at the front to hold onto, but note that it is quite small. Moving up our list to number 6, the evelots Perfect Snowman Kit contains everything you need to make your own frozen figure, including a carrot nose and a pipe. The eyes and mouth are shaped like coal for a realistic touch, and along with the buttons, have prongs to keep them in place. It encourages imaginative play, and an alternative female set is also available. However, the scarf is a bit too small. Halfway up our list at number 5. With the flexible Flyer Snow Fort, young ones are able to make their own icy stronghold. Great for building castles, igloos, and barriers. The pieces create individual square or turret shapes that allow for easy stacking. These store inside each other and can also be used at the beach, but they can crack under pressure. At number 4, the cwlakon Snowball Maker Set allows youngsters to build a ton of ammunition in no time by creating a couple of rounds with each pressing. The balls are 3 inches in diameter, so can be thrown just like a baseball or tennis ball. It comes with comfortable grips and the balls hold their shape well. You get 2 per order. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Youngsters will enjoy the funky designs available in the gofloats Winter Tube, which include a unicorn, a flamingo, and an ice dragon. This inflatable has a raised center to protect your bottom as you glide, and being 45 inches wide, it can accommodate children and adults. It includes a repair patch kit and handles for the rider, and it absorbs bumps well. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Snow Toys for Kids, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you're looking for a sled that won't break the bank, the Best Choice Products Toboggan might be a good choice. Although it's made of plastic, it is sturdier than other similar designs and can carry a grown-up or 2 minors comfortably. The curved edges are easy to grip, and it includes a robust rope for dragging or steering. It's available in 5 colors. And taking the top spot on our list, the geospace LED ski scooter can be employed on hills or flat surfaces. The handle helps youngsters maintain balance while riding and folds down for storage. Parents are able to join in the fun too, as it's capable of holding up to 220 pounds. It's equipped with non-slip footholds and a colorful light. It's also good on sand dunes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Snow Toys for Kids, or simply click beneath this video.